Over 20 athletes from various countries recently benefited from world-class coaching at the Racers Summer Camp, which made a return to the calendar this year. It was the first staging since 2019.
The Usain Bolt effect continues to be a major attraction for the Racers Track Club, with athletes and aspiring athletes from around the globe wanting to get exposed to the training methods which shaped the legendary former sprinter. The annual Racers Track Club Summer Camp is evidence of the continued pull of the 8-time Olympic champion amongst youngsters globally, as athletes from as far as India and the Maldives turned out at the recent staging.
As I said earlier, it is very important. We have people from India, persons from USA, different parts in USA, from the Caribbean island, from Jamaica, and as I said before, each person come with unique culture, and each person try and participate in other person's culture, and it was a good endeavor. In terms of the track and field aspect, they was well taught. They are versed at knowing about Racers Track Club, about Usain Bolt, about our founder and president Glenn Mills. So it was a good gesture. We hope to see other persons come on board next year, other youngsters. It's a good field to learn how the Usain Bolt way, the Glenn Mills way of coaching and imparting knowledge.
But with a 3-year absence due to COVID-19, the 9th staging of the camp was not as well supported as the previous editions, according to organizer Cynthia Cook. Cook says after postponing for several months, the team finally decided to get things going in March of this year.
Reached out to the number of persons who had sent emails because we thought that we could, get the minimum required to break even. And we started our preparations, and then the staff that we relied on started to cancel also. But I think the good Lord, the song says, He looked beyond my fault and saw my needs. And we got some people, worked out well, the people are here. We had overseas parents who acted as counselors.
Indian Aryan Manoj says he was in awe as he met and was able to learn from renowned coach Glenn Mills.
Yeah, it was an amazing experience actually, because I've grown, I started track and field because of Usain Bolt. So because of watching videos of him and his coach and his training videos, so that's what inspired me. So looking at him and, getting pointers from him and tips from him was amazing. And
Joshua Gamage from the United States says the camp was a unique experience.
The Racers Summer Camp was definitely a different experience. I've been to a lot of camps. Well, not training camps or track camps, but I've been to a bunch of camps in general. And, being to a training camp, especially Racers in Jamaica, is really different, The training was different. It was a lot detail-oriented, back to the basics. A lot of people and professionals forget kind of basics once they get to a certain level. And I think that's what Racers did very good. They brought the technicality back to it.
And Immaculate's Kimberly Wright, who made it to the final of the Class 3 200 meters at Champs this year, spoke about what she took away from the camp.
It's very nice to come to camp and meet new people from all around the world, because I feel like it teaches you about track and field in a lot of different places and how a lot of people can learn from this camp, no matter where you come from or no matter your background in track and field, or if you don't have any background at all. There's always something that can be learned from coming here and listening to the coaches and the guest speakers and people like that.
Alrighty, let's take another